The following report contains some disturbing images.
Alan and Galip, as their father Abdullah, will always remember them, not as icons of suffering, but as his boys. Today he came to see them and their drowned mother Rehan at the local mortuary. He told me the family had paid nearly €5,000 to a smuggler who then abandoned them.
I remember the smuggler took us. After 4 or 5 minutes, the waves were very high and he jumped off and escaped. Another high wave pushed the boat over. I tried to catch my children and wife, but there was no hope. One by one, they died.
The children's deaths have stirred a passionate outcry. But Abdullah Kurdi's thoughts were far from politics today. What kind of children were they, Aylan and his brother?
My children were the most beautiful in the world. Is there anybody for whom their child is not the most precious thing? They woke me every day to play with me. What is more beautiful than this? Everything is gone.